Alright, let me show you how to disable the clicking sound of the camera on any Galaxy phone. First up, you go to Routines. Let me do it from here. Modes, Routines. Click here in the middle, Routines. Here's what I've done. If open camera, then mute all sound. That's it. Done. No noise. Here's a bonus. How to sort out the campus showing the wrong direction. First off, go to the shop and look up compass. I've picked this one. Let me have a look. Which one was it? Yeah. That's the one I picked. Why? Because it's ultra light. It's very, very small. Install it. Next up, go to Routines again. If I open the campus, then you open the maps. What it does, the campus calibrates the direction, and then when you open the map, it's going to be on the right direction. You're welcome.